We've all heard our share of big fish stories. You probably have some of your own. Now you have another way to tell them with the new ShareLunker mobile app from Texas Parks and Wildlife. Since 1986, the Texas Parks and Wildlife's popular Toyota ShareLunker program has been partnering with anglers to promote and enhance bass fishing in Texas. With our new mobile app, you can enter your lunker bass data from your smartphone or tablet right from your favorite fishing spot. What may seem like just another day on the lake is actually an opportunity for anyone to provide information to help our biologists maintain healthy lunker bass populations across the Lone Star State, ensuring many more fish stories to come. Help us make bass fishing bigger and better in Texas. For more information, visit TexasShareLunker.com.